9 passive income ideas. How I make $10,000 per week. In today's digital age, making money while you sleep isn't just a fantasy. It's a reality for many. Whether you're trying to break free from the 9-to-5 grind or just looking to increase your earnings, passive income is the key. In this video, I'll share 9 of the most effective passive income ideas that have helped me generate up to $10,000 per week. Let's dive in. 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income. By promoting products or services through affiliate links, you earn a commission when someone makes a purchase. For example, I promote tools or services I personally use and trust on my YouTube channel and website. With the right products and a strong online presence, affiliate marketing can generate a steady stream of income. 2. Create an online course. If you have a skill or expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a highly profitable passive income source. Websites like Udemy, Skillshare, or Teachable allow you to create and sell courses on topics you're passionate about. Once the course is created, it can sell indefinitely, generating income with minimal ongoing effort. 3. YouTube ad revenue. If you're a content creator on YouTube, ad revenue is one of the best passive income sources. After reaching the YouTube Partner Program requirements, you can earn money from ads shown on your videos. The more content you create, the more ad views you can accumulate, leading to consistent earnings. 4. Real estate investment. Investing in real estate is a time-tested way to build wealth and generate passive income. Whether through rental properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, real estate can provide a steady income stream. While it does require initial capital, once set up, the rental income can be a great source of passive revenue. 5. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn regular payments from the companies you invest in. By building a portfolio of reliable dividend stocks, you can create a passive income stream that pays you on a regular basis, even while you sleep. 6. Write and publish an ebook. If you enjoy writing, publishing an ebook can be a great way to earn passive income. With platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, you can publish your ebook and earn royalties every time it's sold. Once your book is published, it can generate ongoing sales with minimal effort. 7. Create a membership site. If you have a dedicated audience, consider creating a membership site. By offering exclusive content or perks to your subscribers, you can generate a consistent income. This model works well for YouTubers, bloggers, and content creators who have a loyal fan base. 8. Automated dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell products without worrying about inventory or shipping. With the right tools and automation, you can set up a dropshipping store that generates sales and profit on autopilot. The key is finding reliable suppliers and choosing the right products to sell. 9. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club allow you to lend money to individuals or businesses and earn interest on your investment. This can be a lucrative source of passive income if done wisely. You can diversify your investments across multiple loans to minimize risk and increase your earning potential. Final thoughts. Building passive income streams is one of the best ways to secure financial freedom. Whether you're into affiliate marketing, creating online courses, investing in stocks or real estate, or monetizing your content, there are endless opportunities to generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Start small, stay consistent, and over time, your passive income streams will grow. Just like mine did, making $10,000 per week a reality